We are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing English vocabulary, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So those two words are, if you've been wondering, indeed homophones, meaning that they are to be pronounced exactly the same way, but they have different meanings. The top word is a noun and is pronounced as a fact. Stress on the second syllable, as in the effect of climate change. The bottom word is actually a verb, as in this person affects my mental health, for example. So the bottom word is a verb and is to be said as a fact, just like the top word. They are both to be said as a fact, whether it's a noun or a verb. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names that many struggle with, that many mispronounce as well. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.